Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To contact eHarmony, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eharmony.com/about-us and make a search. Now to contact eHarmony, you can either use the contact form by tapping on contact form option. The next thing that you can do is send an email to eHarmony on support@eharmony.com, or else you can also mail at the given postbox address. This is how you can contact eHarmony quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.